Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P2101 refers to an electronic throttle control system ETCS malfunction in the Honda HR-V models produced between 2016 and 2022. The ETCS plays a vital role in managing the throttle valve's position based on input signals from the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor, enabling smooth acceleration and deceleration. Located near the intake manifold, the throttle body houses the throttle valve, which opens and closes to regulate air intake into the engine. If the DTC is indicated, it suggests that the ETCS system has detected a defect during operation, leading to potential performance issues or a decrease in engine efficiency. It's crucial to address this malfunction promptly to prevent further engine problems and ensure a safe driving experience. The DTC P2101 relates to an electronic throttle control system, ETCS malfunction, which indicates a failure in the electronic management of the throttle valve. The throttle body, positioned between the air intake and the intake manifold, is responsible for regulating the airflow into the engine. This component operates under electronic control, responding to signals from the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor. The APP sensor detects how far the gas pedal is pressed, sending this information to the engine control module (ECM) for appropriate throttle adjustment. If this system fails, the throttle may not respond correctly, leading to engine performance issues. Understanding the location and function of these components is essential for accurate diagnostics. The potential causes for the P2101 DTC often originate from several key components within the ETCS that may malfunction. A common culprit is a faulty throttle body itself, which may not open or close properly due to internal mechanical issues or wear. Another potential cause could be a malfunctioning APP sensor, which inaccurately signals the throttle position, resulting in improper engine response. Additionally, wiring issues, such as damaged or corroded wires connected to the throttle body or the PCM, can interrupt signal transmission, causing the DTC to trigger. Each possible cause must be investigated methodically to determine the root of the malfunction. When DTC P2101 is triggered, drivers may experience a variety of symptoms that indicate a malfunction in the throttle control system. One of the most noticeable symptoms is a reduction in engine power, where the car may struggle to accelerate, even when the accelerator pedal is fully depressed. Additionally, the throttle may become unresponsive or may provide erratic responses, making it difficult to control the vehicle's speed. The check engine light on the dashboard is another common indication of this issue, prompting the need for further inspection and diagnostic testing. It's important to recognize these symptoms early to avoid unsafe driving conditions. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P2101, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode to power up the systems. Next, connect the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS) to clear the DTC codes stored in the vehicle's computer. This is a crucial step to eliminate any previous fault codes that are no longer relevant. After clearing, conduct the ETCS test using the HDS to evaluate the performance of the throttle system. The results from this test will allow you to check if the P2101 code emerges again by reviewing both pending and confirmed DTCs. If the P2101 code appears as confirmed, it indicates that the issue persists and further diagnostics must commence. In the second troubleshooting step, it's essential to test drive the vehicle for several minutes, particularly focusing on the parameters recorded in the freeze data. Freeze data reflects the engine's operating conditions at the moment the DTC was logged. providing insights into parameters like engine speed, vehicle speed, and APP sensor values. After the test drive, utilize the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs that may have emerged during the drive. If the P2101 code returns, follow up with further diagnostics. If it doesn't appear, the issue may be intermittent, suggesting that there could be poor connections or loose terminals, particularly at the throttle body and PCM, that require inspection. The third troubleshooting step involves checking the actual components pertaining to the P2101 code. To begin, turn the vehicle to off mode to ensure safety before disconnecting the intake air duct from the throttle body. After disconnecting, turn the vehicle back on to power the systems. Next, utilizing the HDS to perform the ETCS test to examine the throttle valve operation directly. Observe how smoothly the throttle valve operates. This is crucial as any irregularities may indicate a mechanical issue within the throttle body itself. If the throttle operates smoothly and the P2101 DTC still appears, this suggests that the throttle body may need cleaning or replacement. In the fourth step, begin by powering down the vehicle to off mode and subsequently jump the SCS line using the HDS. This action ensures that the system is in the correct testing state. After this, disconnect the connectors from both the PCM and the throttle body. This step is critical as it prepares the system for continuity testing. Check for continuity between test points to determine the integrity of the SG3 wire that connects the throttle body to the PCM. If there is no continuity present, it indicates an open wire scenario that requires repair. Conversely, if continuity is confirmed, this implies that the wiring is intact. During the fifth troubleshooting step, ensure the vehicle is set to off mode again. Next, connect Terminal A and Terminal B using a jumper wire to facilitate testing. This setup allows for a continuity check between the throttle body connectors and the PCM. Measure continuity between the specified test points for both MTR1 and MTR2. If continuity is confirmed, the wiring for both motors is fine. If there is no continuity, it means there is an issue with either the MTR1 wire or MTR2 wire extending between the throttle body and the PCM that must be repaired to restore functionality. In the final troubleshooting step for DTC P2101, assess the internal circuit of the throttle body. With the vehicle in off mode, measure the resistance at the throttle body side between designated test points. A resistance reading of around 1.0 kiloohms or more indicates a potential fault, likely necessitating the replacement of the throttle body to resolve the malfunction. If the resistance reading is as expected, it would suggest that the internal circuit is functional. In this case, consider updating the PCM software to the latest version or substituting it with a known good PCM to verify performance. If the DTC clears after these steps, the issue is resolved. However, if the problem persists, the original PCM should be replaced. After carrying out the necessary repairs and modifications to address the P2101 error code, it's vital to verify the effectiveness of the solutions applied. Begin by checking if the DTC has been successfully cleared from the system using the HDS. Following a successful clearance, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to observe its performance and responsiveness of the throttle. This step is crucial to ensure that the throttle now responds appropriately to the accelerator's input. It also serves to confirm that there are no return codes, indicating that the issue has been resolved. Thorough verification is essential for customer assurance and safety. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2101 in the future, implementing regular preventive maintenance is crucial. Routine cleaning of the throttle body can help maintain its functionality and responsiveness. preventing dirt and grime buildup that can lead to malfunctions. It's equally important to regularly inspect the wiring connections between the throttle body and the PCM for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion, which can result in connection issues. Additionally, regularly updating the PCM software ensures that the vehicle's computer operates optimally, staying up to date with any manufacturer-recommended improvements. Establishing a consistent maintenance schedule will not only help prevent DTC P2101, but will also enhance the overall longevity of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the electronic throttle control system (ETCS) operations is fundamental when dealing with DTC P2101. Accurate and thorough diagnostic testing is essential to identify the root causes of the malfunction, including component failure or wiring issues. Steps such as conducting ETCS tests and continuity checks help narrow down the problem area effectively. Furthermore, preventative maintenance practices enhance vehicle reliability, ensuring that the throttle body operates efficiently and reducing the likelihood of similar error codes in the future. Dedicating attention to the components associated with this system ultimately contributes to a smoother and safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.